No, I mean when they start running around, that would be cute on the Animal Channel.
Read that.
Oh, goodness. This is
That's your new baby, ready? That's your baby girl. That's your baby girl. That's your baby girl.
you don't have to show this one. Well, I'm gonna go get the jug and refill it to make sure they have enough water.
He bought and built and he put this.
Where is your greenhouse?
It's not put up yet.
Oh, it's not up. My frame is up.
There, he let her drink the water first and everything, and then when she moved away, he went got a drink. Okay, well,
Where did y'all get the phone?
I took a picture, but all I got was a blur.
she won't let him play with the duck.
Red, come here. Nicky.
We need to get everything and everybody loaded up. It's almost 1 o'clock.
This is called cooperation. Maybe not. Should have made herself thirsty. Saying goodbye. Words of wisdom from Devil Dog.
You forgot something.
Andrew, go get the
Go get a drink.
What thing is it?
Little bit.
Oh,
because I have to look at something.
You're the one that said it was a boy.
But I.
Cute little goat. He's gonna show you who's boss. You be sweet to that goat. That's your baby brother. You don't have to be his big sister. Yeah.
He's being nice to the.
Too cute. Yes, he is. He's a cute little goat.
so sweet. I was out there feeding the
Devil dog saying goodbye to the puppy goat.
See the little blue eyes? See the blue eyes here?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful little bitty goat. Cute. He's cute. He's how many weeks old? This is the goat. Billy Bob, or
Yeah, give me Billy Bob. Billy Bob, go.
why don't we call him Eddie?
We'll call him Billy Eddie Bob. How about that? Billy Eddie Bob.
Or Bobby. You know, Bob. What was one from
Ricky Bobby.
Ricky
We already
Bobby?
got- we already got
I
Ricky.
still like Ricky
We
Bobby.
already got Ricky Bobby. You just gonna
Not interested.
Well, he